The cutter decks on Bobcat mowers are designed to create a vacuum under the deck, which increases the lifting of the grass for a cleaner cut. The front lip can be raised or lowered to accommodate different types of grasses. A lower lip will create a good seal, lifting the grass so that it stands up straight to be cut at one height. To adjust, loosen each set of fasteners on both sides of the deck. For a higher setting, slide the baffle up to where it's level with the bottom of the cutting deck. This will help with stiffer kinds of grasses to not be bent over for a more consistent cut. Once set at the desired height, retighten the front bolts.